Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find H&M size guide. Alright, so have you ever wondered how to find the perfect fit at H&M? Let's walk you through how to access the size guide in H&M mobile app, ensuring your next purchase is just right. The first step is to launch the H&M app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for H&M and install. Once installed, just open the app. Then navigate to the app or use the search bar to find the exact item you are interested in. Whether it's a trendy top, comfy jeans, or stylish dress, just locate the product page. I've already added a product to cart, so I'm just going to click on this product so it can take me to the product page. On the product page, just scroll down to find the size guide link. So right here under size, select size, you have size guide hyperlink. Just go ahead and click on that. Now, once you tap on this, you'll be able to view the detailed size and information tailored to the item that you are considering. I'm so sorry, currently having network issues. That's why I'm loading up on time. But here on this window, you're going to find the detailed size and information tailored to the item you're considering. Now, within the size guide, that's this window, you'll find measurements for various sizes. Now, compare these with your own measurements to determine the best fits. Remember, sizes can vary between different styles and collections. If you're unsure about your measurement, use a soft measuring tape to measure key areas, including your bust. Now, your bust is around the fullest part of your chest, and waist, which is at the narrowest point above your belly button, and hips, which is at the widest part of your hips. Now, we use this measurement to compare with the size guide for the most accurate fit. Once you have determined your size, return to the product page and select the appropriate size, then tap Add to Bag to proceed with shopping. Show internet for click and tell. That's it. Now we'll go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done and begin to go, I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.